In this video, I'm going to explain the process of creating a new page, deleting a page, or disabling a page for your template. When your template is installed and activated, it is very easy to make changes. To do this, in your Kajabi admin, under Website, click on Website Pages. There, you can see all the available pages. There are system pages, and these pages come from Kajabi. You cannot disable these pages, but you can edit them. If you scroll down, you will see some custom pages. You can duplicate these pages or delete them. You can do whatever you want with them. So this is how it works. If you want to create a new page, you can either duplicate a custom page or click the New Website Page button. Then you can add a name, and this will create a blank page. Later, you can save sections and add new sections. However, I recommend duplicating a page so you already have some sections and don't need to start from scratch. Now, here is the problem. If you go back to the design section, for example, if you have just installed our template and you want to customize it before going live, and you want to create new pages, delete pages, or change page links while the template is inactive, there's no option to do this. The only way to do these changes is to activate the template. But if you want to activate the template only after completing all the customization and going live, you probably don't want to show an incomplete template to your customers or website visitors. Unfortunately, there is no way to make these changes without activating the template. So here's what I suggest. This is not the best way, but it is the only way. If you have another Kajabi website that is not important or not live, you can test everything there. For example, I have two sites here, and one of them is not important. You can do all the changes on that site, export the template, and then import it into your main site. But if you have only one website and you already have a live template and you don't want to affect the live version, yet you still want to customize it, then here's what you can do. Temporarily, during nighttime or when you have low traffic on your website, set the template live for a short amount of time. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes, whatever you prefer. Then go to the Pages section. For example, if you want to duplicate the services page and rename it, maybe because you need another page for a different type of service, you can simply duplicate that page. When you duplicate it, it will appear in the new template, and you will see something like Service Copy 1. This page is unpublished by default. Just publish it temporarily, then go to Site Details, change the slug, change the name, and save it. After that, go back to the website pages again. If you don't need some pages, for example, if you don't need the team page, you can simply unpublish it for now. Once you are done, go back to the design section. It will take just a little bit of time. Then set your original live theme back again. Save as live. Now everything is live again, and there is no problem on your website. If you go to Customize and select the template you want to edit, you will see that the new page is available there. So this is how you can make these changes, creating new pages, deleting pages, or duplicating pages. After doing this, don't leave the template live unnecessarily. Come back and continue your edits safely. This is the hack I always use for a Kajabi site when we need to make changes to a template that will go live only after a lot of customization. I think this is the best and most convenient way to do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.